Hello everyone, my name is Roji from Management at MNG University. Today, I will present an analysis of the current business environment of Shopee, focus on market condition, economic condition, and industry condition. Understanding the business environment is essential for Shopee as one of the large e-commerce platforms in Indonesia. Change in market trend, economic condition, and industry competition directly affect Shopee business strategy. By analyzing the business environment, Shopee can identify growth opportunity and minimize potential risks in the long term. Shopee operates in a high competitive e-commerce market in Indonesia. Consumers are very price sensitive and often compare price across the platform. To attract and retain users, Shopee uses aggressive marketing strategies such as flash sale, free shipping, and big campaign days. And this strategy helps Shopee maintain strong market demand and user engagement. Economic conditions also significantly affect Shopee business performance. High inflation reduced consumer purchasing power, which can lower transaction volume. In addition, higher interest rate increase operational and financing costs for e-commerce companies. As a result, Shopee focused on cost efficiency, effectiveness, and operational optimization. Now, let's talk about the industry condition. The e-commerce industry in Indonesia continues to grow rapidly. However, Shopee faces intense competition from platforms such as Tokopedia and Lazada. One major challenge in the industry is high logistic and delivery costs, especially for nationwide shipping. To overcome this, Shopee collaborates with logistic partners and develop its integrated logistic ecosystem. Based on the business environment, Shopee must implement effective strategy. In the short term, Shopee focus on promotion and operational efficiency to maintain market share. In the long term, Shopee invests in technology, logistic infrastructure, and ecosystem development. However, Shopee also faces risks such as price war and declining profitability. Conclusion: Shopee operates in a dynamic and competitive business environment. Market competition, economic challenge, and industry conditions strongly influence Shopee business strategy. By being adaptive and innovative, Shopee has a strong potential to achieve long-term sustainability and growth. And then it's all my presentation.